So you are a student and want to be productive, you may have tried many common productivity tips, like waking up early, working in silence, listening to music, working in different locations, creating daily schedules, and attempting to stick to a highly efficient routine. But nothing worked for you, and still you are struggling to be productive, and that's okay, because those routines are often designed for robots, not humans. I'm not here to say who's right or wrong, but I'm here to share 3 unconventional productivity techniques that you might have overlooked because they're so straightforward and easy to implement. Today, I'll demonstrate how these 3 strategies can significantly enhance your productivity right from the moment you start using them. So, be sure to stay till the end, because the final tip is the simplest yet has the most significant impact on your productivity. So the first productivity technique is to start by setting a timer for 25 minutes and working with laser focus on whatever task is at hand. The catch is, no distractions allowed during those 25 minutes. Imagine it as a race against the clock, a 25-minute productivity sprint. When that timer rings, it's time for a 5-minute break. You can relax, stretch, maybe check your social media, or even grab a snack, but remember, it's only 5 minutes. Then, dive back into another 25-minute focused work session. This process is called the Pomodoro technique, and it's an instant productivity booster. But before you apply Pomodoro technique, it is essential that your body and mind are active and at full potential. So in order to do that, you can take cold showers. Yes, you heard it right. The magic behind this is that cold showers increase your alertness, leaving you more awake and ready to take on the day. They also improve blood circulation, making sure you're operating at your best. Just think about it. A cold shower can make you feel like a superhero, and you'll be more productive throughout the day. But there's a problem. You can only follow and stick to your daily productivity routine when you have a very clear goal defined for yourself. So grab a piece of paper and jot down your goals, your deepest desires. Once you've written them down, turn them into positive affirmations. You might say something like, I am confident and capable, or I believe in myself and my abilities, or I am worthy of success and prosperity. Now here's the twist. Stand in front of a mirror, look deep into your own eyes, and repeat these affirmations daily. This simple practice is like planting the seeds of self-esteem and self-confidence. You'll soon find yourself feeling unstoppable and never doubting your abilities again. Subscribe if you like this video and check out this video for more productivity tips.